So hello everyone, in this video we'll be discussing about some of your questions or issues you were facing while developing the to-do list in ReactJS. So the first issue that people face was the delete issue. So some of the people were unable to delete or add the delete method, or it was not successfully deleting the items. So the issue was around the delete method which I added. So earlier this one was not present, so it was only just index. So with the by this it was only deleting the initial, like if we go from top to bottom, then it was deleting the first item from the top to bottom correctly. But if we go to any of the middle items, so it was deleting the whole item or more than one items. So that was the issue basically in the delete method. So you just have to put one here, then it will be right and it will work. Because I forgot to add one, because one means you only want to delete one item which matches this index. So that is the splice method that we are using for deleting the method. So it will perfectly work fine. I can show you the preview as well. So let me just write something for now. Let's say this one and this one. If I add something, if I add one more thing, blah blah blah, one more thing, if I add that, so let's say we have three lists. So I can delete from any of like the places from top to bottom or anywhere, like in the middle I can delete, so that part will only be deleted. If I go from the bottom, so it will only be deleted. If I delete this, so it will be only deleted. So it will not delete the whole list of to-do list. So it will not delete that. And you can see we have the saved list as well, or the completed one. You can delete this one, you can delete this one. So any of that you can delete perfectly fine. So this was the issue why people were facing in delete. I also updated the GitHub code. You can check the updated code as well. So I fixed that and pushed the latest code there. And the second query or the like suggestion was like, can we also add a login and sign up feature in this, and also the logout feature? Yeah, we'll be definitely upgrading this app to the next version of it, or basically the 2.0 version, in which we'll be adding the user authentication, and then we'll be creating a simple dashboard for the user in which he can create his personalized to-do list, and that to-do list will be for that person, and he can also log out and log in according to his need basically. So we'll be creating that, but that will be the later part or the version 2 of this app. We'll definitely be creating that. And someone also asked that can you write this code in the TypeScript? Yeah, definitely we can write it. Like we have to recreate this app, everything. And TypeScript basically will add the type restrictions, and you can definitely do that. You have to define the types for these new to do objects, like title and description. You have to specify they are strings, and you have to specify the type for the arrays in them, and that will work. Basically these were the major things that we are doing related to type basically. So that is not a big deal. You can try it by yourself as well. So TypeScript will add more type safety to this code if you want to add TypeScript in it. So remember, while you're developing a new TypeScript app, you just have to use dash dash TypeScript template, and that will work. So by default it will add the TypeScript in the React.js project. Thank you, this is awesome. Okay, so after completion, if you are deleting task, yeah, I told you that the delete issue, we fixed that. Can you please show me how can I integrate a API to this? So basically this question is a little bit vague, so you have to explain what kind of API you are basically uh, want to integrate. So API integration, like what kind of API, which API you want to integrate, you have to elaborate a little bit. इसका code कहाँ है फिर? It is on the GitHub. You can check check the code, like you can check the link. Also you can find it in the description, and you can see the reply is also being sent to this person. And in the first video, the code is there, like in the first video's description you can find the code, or in the first video's description you can see there is a GitHub link, and you can check out all the projects which are there. uh, the links are available. So this is it. I think the major questions were only these. I hope you got something, and if you have any other issue in this app, so you can let me know in the comments. And also we'll be developing the part 2 or the version 2 of this Todo app soon. So stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.